Steve Fried in Chicago with the results of the USDA crop report and supply and demand. USDA is always full of surprises, and this time the USDA dropped the soybean yield a bushel and took 600,000 acres off of the harvested acres. So the crop is 4,378 versus 4,496 expected. And soybeans up anywhere from 44 to 45 cents. Corn, the yield was 172.5, in line with the average trade guess. And there was 13,944 million bushels is the crop size. The average guess was 14,088. For 22-23 carryouts, corn 1219. Average guess was 1217. Last month was 1388. Beans 200. Average guess was 247. Last month 245. And wheat unchanged at 610 versus last month. The UK, as far as the Ukrainian wheat crop, they raised 1 million tons to 20.5. They raised the Russian crop 3 million tons to 91. And left the EU crop at 132. So you've got corn up about 4 cents, wheat down 16 cents. I think the big thing when we look at the numbers is what they did to the soybean supply and demand to get that 200 carryout. First of all, they lowered the crush 20 million bushels. They lowered biofuel 200 million pounds. And they lowered exports of meal 300,000 short tons. Then they dropped the U.S. bean exports 70 million bushels to 2085 to get that carryout at 200 versus 245. Over in the corn, they lowered the feed number 100 million bushels. They lowered ethanol 50 million bushels and exports 100 million bushels to get to that 1219 carryout. So now we switch gears and look at the demand numbers. We look at money flow. We look at the recession. The bears still feel that we could actually see lower U.S. bean exports because of competition from South America, lower corn exports, competition from the Black Sea and South America, and competition in wheat because of Russia. And then we'll also have to be watching tomorrow the August inflation data and see how that impacts prices. As always, these are my thoughts and those not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM. Have a good trading day.